Hey guys, quick one today. Mercedes SUV, diesel Ml300 CDI, battery change, and it's in a place I would never have thought of. Alrighty, so if you don't know where the batteries are on these things, through the back door, down the driver's seat, right there. So, or passenger seat, depends on where you are. This is under a driver's seat, being where we're from. Let's get it out. Pretty straightforward. Negative first, 10mm socket. Might get something to hold that out of the way. Once you loosen them, you've got two 13mm holding it in on a plate. And then the struggle of getting it out. Alright, so I've just put a strap around the battery so I can get it up on an angle. Hopefully it works. Let's have a look. Very awkward spot. Nah. Oh my lord. This is awesome. All right, new battery. Everything out of the way again. I suppose putting it in is going to be a bit easier. That was easy. And what do you know? Got the cable cord. positive. Breathe up the other way. And the nuts. Secure it. Quick tip, if you don't have magnetic sockets, paper in there, doesn't fall off. And there you go. That is how you change a battery in a Merc SUV. Anyway guys, worked up a sweat doing that one. There you go. How to change a battery in a Mercedes SUV. Not one of my favourite jobs. See you on the next video.